Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on RNDR token. On a daily time frame chart, RNDR token was moving inside this up channel. You can see previously it broke out this down channel, then formed this up channel and rallied very well. And recently you can see it has broken down the support of this channel. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. And I would also like to show you once again this huge breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this very big down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared in the month of November 2023 with my members on 9th of November. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reverse cigar pattern that Render was completing with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was the buying zone, and this was the sell target zone, and this was the stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and drop more down, completed the leg, entered the buying zone, and then we had a very massive reversal, and it rallied almost 111%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Render. And first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And previously we have been following this down channel. And I've been telling you that once Render will be able to break out this channel. The target for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $2.95. And you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target and formed this up channel as well. And it was moving very well between the resistance and support of this newly formed up channel. But recently, you can see that we have broken down the support of this channel. The technical target for this breakdown is, by the way, here at the bottom of the channel, that is approximately at $1.65. However, in my opinion, it can now retest this very strong support that we have here at $2.95 that was previously breaking as a resistance. And after a retest of this support, we can expect another bounce from here. But it will be really difficult for the price and to break down the support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then we can see that this $2.95 level has been previously working as a resistance here. And for several weeks, it has been working as a resistance here and also as a support here as well. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price to break it down. Now, if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out a very big down channel. And after that, you can see that the price has rallied very well. By the way, from this low to this high, it has rallied almost 1,827%. And still, the price did not hit the target for this breakout from this down channel. That target is, by the way, here at the top of the channel that can be between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.